Hey everyone, in today's video I'm going to be talking about the advantages of using carpet protector. So I've been using carpet protector now for quite a few years now because I find it's one of the easiest things to do and also makes the biggest difference. So I'm just going to talk to you about some of the advantages of using it. One of the first advantages is that it's super quick to put down. You basically just unroll it and then you just cut it and it sticks into place. It's just basically like giant sellotape is how I always describe it. And obviously because it's stuck, it doesn't move, and that's another advantage as well. With dust sheets and stuff, especially on stairwells, what you find is dust sheets will move and it will always end up exposing some carpet, whereas if you use your carpet protector, basically it stops it from going through. Another big advantage is that it's really easy to clean up. You can brush it. When you've finished, you just scrumple it all up, job's a good one, and you're gone. It is also excellent for walkways. Like in this video here, I just put it down all the walkways, so I've actually got a path from where I'm working to my van, so that basically any dust footprints doesn't get tracked through the whole house. Other uses for carpet protector, one good use is that I find it's really good for covering radiators. If you're doing a ceiling and you've got a radiator, if a little bit of skim just drops on it, it's going to be a nightmare to clean. So if I just tend to just put a little bit of strip of carpet protector on it, make sure the radiator's off, obviously. And that's just a really good way of protecting things. You can also do that on sills. You have to be careful with paintwork, really. It can take some of the paintwork away. Tips for using carpet protector. When you're using stairs, it's always good to have a piece of batten, roughly the same size as the carpet protector, just for pushing it in, because I tend to find that if you don't do that by hand, what tends to happen is you get quite a few air bubbles, and that basically just causes you more problems. So if you've got something for pushing in on stairs, that's ideal to use. One thing I would say as well is when you're doing stairs, start from the top and work your way down. Never go the other way. I just seem to find that's always a little bit harder, where coming straight down, it's a lot easier. So don't just use carpet protector. You do need to use other things with it. You can use dust sheets with it. I tend to use plastic sheeting, what I put on top of mine. I tend to go all the way around the room, the edges, and then I put some polythene in the middle, and then I'll put my plastic sheets on top. That way, if there is any spillage of water or skim, it's not going to seep in and it's not going to go down. If you're working upstairs, that could be a disaster, water going onto the floorboards. One tip I will say is when buying carpet protector, try and buy it in as big as quantity as possible. I always tend to buy it in 100 meters. If you buy it in 25, I just feel like you're wasting money. It's a lot easier to have a bigger roll, because you'll always find a use for it. It's really good for when you're painting. So you can use carpet protector on other surfaces, different type of protectors that you can get for hardwood as well. So if you've got hardwood, maybe look into that as well. Right guys, thank you very much for watching this video. If you like these videos, please like and subscribe. I still drop these videos every Tuesday. Right, thank you for watching. I'll catch you on the next video.